Round 1.
It needs over one person to finish processes with a PC. You can only debug camera after powering when finishing installation. You may need a complex operation through PC to set the IP address, modify the channel name and adjust the angle. It takes 20 minutes at least to finish configuration for one camera. It only needs a single person to finish processes with the EPFast tool. The camera can be powered by EPFast tool without an extra power supply. After connecting the EPFast tool and camera, you can directly set the IP address, modify the channel name, and adjust the angle. It only takes 3 minutes to finish installation and debug of camera.
KO! Round 2.
You need to connect the PC and camera through an external cable, and ping one by one to diagnose the link abnormality. It is time-consuming and laborious, and hard to judge whether it is PoE abnormality. Connecting the cable to PD port of EPFast tool, if the LED light is on, it indicates the PSC side works well. Connecting the cable to PD port of EPFast tool, if the LED light is off, it indicates the PSC side, or network cable is abnormal. Connecting the cable to PSC port of EPFast tool, if the LED light is on, it indicates the camera works normally. You can check and ping all devices in the same network with EPFast tool, no need to check one by one. You can also connect the EPFast tool to switches in computer room, and check all devices in the network.
KO! Round 3.
You win!